Angelic Ants is the pacemaker. Dynamic Bobble going with them. 4 furlongs out, it's Angelic Ants. Dynamic Bobble making ground just ahead of Instant Beast. Corduroy Biscuits in 7th spot from Amethyst Damage. At the 600 marker, it's Convincing Caramel. And here comes Queen of Fashion, feeling the pressure from Profound Crow. Instant Beast in 7th place. 3 lengths away, it's Amethyst Damage. Queen of Fashion showing the way. Dynamic Bobble in 2nd spot. A length away, it's Profound Crow. On the inside, it's Instant Beast, then Amethyst Damage. At the 200, it's Queen of Fashion. Instant Beast in 7th, then Amethyst Damage. Close to home, Instant Beast in 7th spot. Amethyst Damage next. Queen of Fashion once again in the front spot. Amethyst Damage is the trailer. Dynamic Bobble first at the line. Just beating Queen of Fashion. Corduroy Biscuits gets the 3rd place. We're underway here at 3 Oaks. A great start from Hot Act. Acoustic Domino has jumped poorly. Hot Act leading the race. Amethyst Damage looking good, riding well. Hot Act in 2nd position. Hamster's Poison scraping the paint off the rails. Trying to fend off Ship Stutter. Acoustic Domino in 7th position. Borrowed Blueberry next. Amethyst Damage keeping the front. Hamster's Poison in 2nd, putting up a challenge to Cushion Charisma. Next, it's Velvet Wanderer. At the 250, it's Amethyst Damage. Hamster's Poison in 2nd spot. 1 length behind, it's Cushion Charisma. In the straight, it's Amethyst Damage. Hamster's Poison in 2nd place. Amethyst Damage at the front. Damage steals the show, just holds on. Hamster's Poison, Cushion Charisma in 3rd.